Hello, in this video I show you the location of the fuse for the lane departure warning system on the Citroen C4 MK2. Before I show you the location of the fuses, first I'll show you the location of the main fuse boxes on this Citroen C4. There is two fuse boxes here in the engine bay compartment. This is the main fuse box, engine bay 1 fuse box. There is another fuse box here in the engine bay area. It's just above the battery. It's right there. The other big fuse box is in the driver's compartment. It's here in the fascia. It's behind this plastic panel. You pull it down and there is the fascia fuse box in there. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Next I'll show you a diagram of all the fuse boxes on this Citroen C4. I've already shown you the main fuse boxes and the smaller fuse boxes are around them. Next we'll show you the location of the fuse for the lane departure warning system on the Citroen C4. The fuse is located in the fascia 2 fuse box and the fuse is F18. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.